How to add links to WhatsApp profile. Open WhatsApp application. Tap on the three dots that you can see at top right corner of your screen. Tap on the option Settings. At top you can see your profile. Tap on it. Now you can see the profile informations over here. Tap on the option Links that you can see at bottom. Now you can add the Instagram and Facebook links. Tap on the plus icon right next to the option for Facebook or Instagram. I'm just going to add the Facebook link. Once you do that, you'll have to verify adding the link. You can see the profile over here. Tap on the option Yes Continue that you can see on the screen. Now the link has been added to your profile. Like this, you can add link to WhatsApp profile. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.